welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming by. I know it took me about a week or two or maybe even 3, nobody's counting, to come back, but it's okay because we here, you know, we here. You love me, I love you, and let's get into this video. So this video is about hair because I have been wearing my natural hair for about 2-3 months. And you know, us girls, they usually wear like weaves. When you wear your natural hair for a couple of months, you start having like, I don't know, like the jitters, like I just need some weave, like the itchies. I was feeling it all, y'all. Like I was like, where's the weave? Where's the Kankalan? Where's the virgin? Where's the Brazilian, the Malaysian, the Indonesian, the Cambodian? Where is it? Body wave, deep wave, loose wave, ocean wave, some kind of wave. I need it in my life. So, long story short, I had to buy some weave, y'all. I bought some weave, and I want to share this unboxing with you because I know you guys love unboxing videos and you love my weave videos. So I'm here to share with you guys. So I did open the box already, of course. I opened the box. Everybody opens the box. But I'm going to close the box and show you guys what it looks like. So this hair is from Hair by Bella Bree, an oldie but goodie. Now she's been circling YouTube for years. Back when I first started YouTube, her hair was being reviewed. She used to have a channel. She still does have a channel. And what I liked about her is that she always showed you when she went to like India or China where she would get her hair from, the where they would cut at the temples and all that good stuff. So I feel like she won a lot of trust that way, and I never bought her hair before, but this time I was like, I want something good, so you know, I had to reach out to her and buy some hair from her. So here's the box. It's a cute little black box, you know, nothing crazy, simple, simplistic, cute, modern, chic. It's black, the label's hair, don't want to see my address. And on this side of the box it says, what does it say? Well, hello, Belle doll. Isn't that cute? It's cute. It has a little ring to it. Hello, Belle doll. I was like, hey, you don't know the work I had to do to get this box. Like, you would have thought the Loch Ness monster was in this box, or the, what is it, the 8th link, the 8th hidden link of the world or something. Because number one, they delivered it, but no one was at my house. So I told my neighbor, I was like, listen, I'm getting a very important package. Be in your house, write a note on my door, and get my package. She was like, oh, I got you, girl. She know how I feel about hair. She feel the same way. So she's like, I got you, girl. I'm like, I, big homie, big homie. So I'm at work, you know, supposed to be working, but you know, I'm watching my package because, hello, I'm watching my package. I'm reloading the USPS shipping page every 5 minutes. Kid you not. I'm telling my coworker, I'm like, y'all, I'm waiting for my hair. I'm watching this, I'm watching this. She like kikiing. I'm like, this not a kiki though. This is serious. This is serious. So I'm watching it. At about 12:30, I click reload. And why did it say attempt to deliver and no one was there to pick it up? When I say I called my neighbor so quick, I'm like, what happened? Where were you? You was not there for me. I feel like I needed a kidney, and she told me no. Like, I really felt like that. So, basically, long story short, she said, oh, I had to go get some milk for my daughter. I'm like, your daughter could have drank some apple juice. Alright, that's wrong. God's in line, I'm lying. I was like, okay, fine. It's cool. I was still mad on the low, but it's whatever. So then after that, I put in a redelivery. You know, when you ask for redelivery. But the thing about my UPS, there's 2 UPS that comes to my house. There's an old man, bless his heart, he is so kind. And then there's a stank lady. Now, if the lady is delivering the package, number one, sis is not gonna knock on your door, okay? Number two, she gonna tell you to come downstairs. I live in a building. She gonna be like, come downstairs, come outside, and sign for this package. And number three, she don't be knocking on my door. I said that already, but whatever. I have to emphasize that. So I put redeliver, but I was not feeling sure that they was gonna redeliver my package. My hands keep messing up. Since I wasn't sure they was gonna redeliver my package, and I thought that my postal office was gonna be closed. So I'm like, oh, this is devastating. Monday's a holiday. I'm not getting my package until Tuesday. Like, I can't wait. long story short, my mother was like, listen, it's open today, just go and get it. So I went to the post office, they had my package, and my day was good again. I was back at Serenity, and let's get back to what this video is about, y'all. I'm yapping. So this is what it looks. This is what the hair looks like. I took this bundle out of the package. We'll get to, you know, the texture shot and all that later. But it comes in a regular cellophane packaging. She also has a like tag with a picture of a model. You know, she's slaying on this little tag. On the back it has care instructions. I don't think you guys care about that. We all know how to care for hair, you know. Well, I hope we all know how to care for these. But yeah, so I bought 2 bundles of 28, a 24, and a 26. She had a bundle deal going on, and then around Valentine's Day she had like $20 off. So I was like, I need to get this ASAP, so that's what I did. Okay guys, so this is all of the 4 bundles together. This is what it looks like. Pretty good density. I'm going to be using a closure as well, but I got the closure from somebody else because my pockets ain't that deep. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own hard-earned cash, you know, from a 9-to-5. So my pockets wasn't that deep, so I couldn't buy the closure from her. But I got a really good closure from another person. I'm pretty sure you guys want to know about that, so stay tuned for the next video. But yeah, so this is the hair. It's so soft. It's so soft. I feel home again. You know, you just feel comfortable. Like I feel cozy all over again. It doesn't smell processed either. Okay, it's just bringing back memories. It's been so long, guys. My hair just keeps messing with me. But yeah, so here's the hair. Here's a little bounce, the luster, the sway, the motion in the ocean, like the Brazilian in the wave, because this is version Brazilian wave. Forgot to mention that. So yeah, guys, you see that? You see that? So let me show you the 28. I didn't measure it. I just trust that it's okay. I didn't measure it, but here is what it looks like. I will try to stand up. But yeah, so it goes pretty far, Side note, do you guys like my Wakanda inspired shirt here? It is premiere week for Black Panther, and it is still Black History Month. So I decided to wear a Wakanda themed sort of top. You know, I was supposed to go see the movie, but let's not talk about why I didn't make it. It's okay though, I'm going to see it. Of course I'm going to support my Black people, Black Panther. We all need to get to Wakanda. But anyway, the 28-inch is pretty true to length. The ends are not shaggy, it's pretty thick. Like, I don't feel like I would need to cut the ends at all. It's super soft. It doesn't smell processed. There's not any split ends. It is a true natural brown color, so it's not processed for its color, but we'll find out because I'm going to co-wash the hair. I'm also going to dye it jet black. Yeah, it just looks amazeballs, guys. I'm going to insert clips of like the wet construction and all that other good stuff. You guys will see everything. But I'm so excited to actually install this hair. It is really so soft. Like, you see my hands are just gliding. I got one strand, but my hands are just gliding through this hair like butter. Literally like butter. So shouts out to the initial touch and feel, because it feels amazing. And I can't wait to feel it on my head. Like, it's going to be so cool. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions about this hair and how I feel about it off of initial, you know, look, definitely ask me down below. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. I post every day. Also, I am a makeup artist. If y'all want to make an appointment, I'll leave my info down below and also my website. Let's see. I think, yeah, that's all I got going on right now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.